Good morning! It's a brand new day, and we thank God for a new day. We are blessed, guys. I just twisted my hair again and oiled it because it was getting so frizzy. Guys, I'm off today again. Love that for me. And I have a ton of clothes to wash. They're on the floor here. Maybe I can show it to you. They're on the floor. So I have those to wash. I have to cook my dinner today because I saw Alicia Kim do like this burrito kind of bowl with ground beef, and I also want to go get some shrimp. I think that would be great for the bowl. Lettuce, onions, peppers, and I said I wanted to buy some sour cream as well. So I'm gonna wash. I have to put out my garbage because it's full. So this is getting thrown in the trash outside today. And then I'm gonna eat my yogurt as breakfast. Actually, let me just take my I take these digestive enzymes and probiotics. And I don't understand why this is finished. This says 30 capsules and this is 60. Why they didn't just put 60 in both? That's so annoying. And hopefully when I count this, I have 30 more left, because unless somebody was eating my stuff. That's so crazy. So I need to refill my bottle. And I'm gonna take a shower. My hair is gonna dry. I'm gonna wash the clothes now. So it's after 12 already, like 12:35. So I know I have to start my day like right now, because this is my last day off for the week. After that, I go straight back to work until next week again. Baby's off for the weekend. I'm so happy for him because he's been working non-stop. Like he's been waking up from 5 a.m, not going to bed until 10-11 o'clock, getting back up at 5 again. And I'm so happy that he gets a little break, you know. He works very hard, and if you're watching this, I'm so proud of you and I love you. Just like how you love me off. You just love me off, so. Guys, now grandma praying for a relationship for me. And no say, girl, I am sure of this one. So yeah, it feels nice to have a great relationship, guys. It does. And if you know in your heart that that person is the one, there's nobody or nothing that can take that away or make you feel otherwise. You know how wrong relationships felt like before, and so now when you get this one, you're like, is this for real? Like, that's how I feel. And I tell him that most of the time, like, this don't feel real. Like, so yeah, he's at work working hard, making the money for both of us, and I'm at home. Guys, I cannot wait, I must say, to have my own family. It's gonna be so like everything I've dreamed of. I'm gonna live where I wanna live. I'm gonna eat what I wanna eat. I'm gonna do what I wanna go. I could go to sleep. I could wake up. Everything's gonna be so. And of course, I know it's not gonna be perfect, but life isn't perfect. God never promised us perfection in life. So I know there will be ups and downs, but if that's the person you chose to ride it and stick it out with, and you see all the green flags and you have not ignored the green flags, because I feel like some people ignore green flags just as much as they ignore red flags. Let's be honest. Guys, you guys are not commenting on the videos. I see the views, but nobody's commenting. Why? Can somebody explain to me why that is, that nobody is commenting on the videos? You guys need to comment. I'm begging, I'm imploring you to comment on the videos, please and thank you, because I see the views going up. Everybody's just watching, but don't forget to comment and like and share all the videos so other people can see my content, guys. Come on. Hello, are you guys not hearing me? But yeah, we're gonna start the wash and then we're gonna eat. I think I'm gonna shower as well. I need to shower. It's getting too late, guys. And the whole shower thing I let me actually, I have a box to show you guys that I got in the mail. Where is it? I had the box last night. Actually, guys, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna shower and then I show you exactly what I had to show you, because I probably have to record for TikTok as well. So I'm gonna come back. All right, guys, your girl just took a shower and we're getting ready now. All right, so you guys are gonna have to take that view for a little bit. Feels so good to take a nice cold shower. You know what I realized, guys? In the morning, when I used to go to work, I used to take warm showers. I don't take warm showers anymore because cold showers help me to wake up the body. So that is what I do. Even if it's cold outside, I still take a cold shower to wake like my body. So I'm gonna dry my face and get my skincare routine done and then eat some yogurt and get on. Guys, this double serum is top tier. Look at my skin. I'm gonna show you. This is my skin before, dry like chips, and I only have a little bit left in this. I have a backup because I bought another one, but I'm gonna spray until it doesn't spray anymore. It still has some in there. See, I got a whole lot. And what I do this, and then I look at my skin coming together. Look at this, guys. Can you not tell that serum is amazing? It's so good. Then I normally go in with a face cream. I love this Clarins multi-active jus, and as you can see, there's nothing in there. I'm just literally scraping the pan to get some out. See, it's so moisturizing on the skin. That I'll probably have to just throw in the recycle bin today because it's nothing in there. They are so good on the skin. Clarence, yeah, did the thing. Look at that. Moisturized. It's now 1:30 and I have to hurry up. I'm gonna put the clothes to wash now and eat my yogurt and get ready to go on the road. So let's go, guys. All right, guys, so we made it to Aldi. And we're gonna go buy some stuff. I have the list again. My problem, guys, is that I sit in the car and don't get out. I've been here for a couple minutes now and I'm just scrolling through the phone and not getting up. So let's go. I feel tired. When I sit down and relax, I just feel a little tired. Shirt is here. Why do they look like this? I love Aldi. It's so clean, not a lot of people in the store, and I get to move on as much as I need and get exactly what I want and get out. All right, guys, so we just came out of Aldi and I have to go to Walmart for the sriracha mayo. So that is what we're gonna do. And then actually we're gonna stop at Dollar Tree first to get the water because grandma asked me to buy more water. And so yeah, we're gonna stop at Dollar Tree. And if Dollar Tree doesn't have it, we go to Walmart. But we're going to Walmart anyways to get the sriracha mayo. So let's go. Alright guys, so we got the water, and now I'm even wondering if I need to go to Walmart for the sriracha because I have some at home. I think I'm just gonna go straight home because I'm exhausted. If you got chains, he's a prison shaker. Alright, I think we could go home, guys. I think. Yeah, I have everything. So let's go home and make some dinner. Don't drop phone. Do not drop. I'm gonna take the chance. Bye, guys.